Alright guys, and Mr. Joe Boldy's got a pick a jersey here, 1249. Go live. We are live. 1249. 1249. Pick Desmond Howard or Devontae Adams, 10 at 10. Got our list right here. 10 spots. We will drop it into random. 10 entries. I'm going to delete these money signs real quick. Don't want to cause any confusion with the randomizer. I don't know if it will, but we're just going to delete them. Okay, 10 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 10. That's high enough. We're going to go 10 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times. Dice shows a 10. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 10. Congrats to Hank. Spot number 1. You are the winner. Get in touch with Joe and pick a jersey. We are done. We will let this click over to 12:51 p.m. Alright, we are done. 12:51. Type done on the post. We are done. 12:51. 12:51. Here is the timestamp and verification.